Hi preschoolers, how are you doing today? I'm doing just great. Let me put my mask over here so you can see my face and my mouth when I'm talking. We've been learning a lot about apples in the preschool, and I've got one of my paper apples right here. And we've also, this week, we're learning about pumpkins. This pumpkin is really small. It looks the same size as my apple. Usually pumpkins are bigger than apples, but these are little pumpkins. And so today for our numbers, we're going to count some apples and we're going to count some pumpkins. Watch my flannel board. First, let's count apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples? 5. Show me with your hand. 5. Good, let's count them again. I'm going to go ahead and grab my pointer stick here. Count them with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, good counting, preschoolers. Well, I said I have some pumpkins. Let's see how many pumpkins I have. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pumpkins. I had 5 apples and 5 pumpkins. Let's double check and count those pumpkins. Start with 1. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 apples and 5 pumpkins. Wow, I wonder how many we have in all. We know we have 5 apples. We just counted them. We know we have 5 pumpkins. I wonder how many we have in all. Let's start counting. We'll count the apples first, and then we'll keep counting our pumpkins. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 all together. So 5 apples and 5 pumpkins makes 10. Show me 10, preschoolers. Great, nice job. Now, today we're also going to learn about patterns. We haven't talked about this in preschool yet, but a pattern is when you keep repeating something over and over again. Now, we're going to make a pattern with pumpkins and apples. So let me take my apples off the board. Let me take my pumpkins off the board. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to start my pattern with an apple. It's going to be an apple pumpkin pattern. And then I give it a pumpkin. Apple, pumpkin. And now we'll repeat it again. Apple, pumpkin. Oh, I repeated my apple pumpkin pattern. Let me read it. Apple, pumpkin. Apple, pumpkin. If I'm going to repeat my pattern again, what comes next? Let's read it again and see. Apple, pumpkin. Apple, pumpkin. What comes next? Did you say apple? Yay, if you said apple. That's right. Apple comes next. I'm looking. Apple, pumpkin. Whenever I see an apple, the next one is a pumpkin. Whenever I see a pumpkin, the next one is an apple. Let's see if we can figure out what comes next. Apple, pumpkin, apple, pumpkin, apple. That's right. Pumpkin. Oh, preschoolers, you are going to be experts at making patterns. That was really fun. Now, let's start it again and read it one more time. Apple, pumpkin. Apple, pumpkin. Apple, pumpkin. Yay! Well, preschoolers, that's an introduction to making patterns. We're going to be working on patterns next week at school, and you can work on patterns at home too. You can take two things and turn them into a pattern. You just have to be able to keep repeating it over and over again. Great. Now, let's go ahead and we'll forget about our pattern for a minute, and let's just do a little bit more counting before I say goodbye for today. So let's go ahead and do some clapping and counting. Let's clap and count all the way to 10. Get ready, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Now, every time I clapped my hands, I said a number. Now, this time I'm going to pat and count. Get your knees or get your hands ready to pat on your knees, and every time you pat, you're going to say a number. Like this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, that makes my body feel nice and awake when I do that. And now we're going to do one more. We're going to stomp all the way to 10. Can you get your stomping feet ready? This one's kind of fun. Every time I stomp my foot, I'm going to say a number. You do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, I had fun counting numbers and making patterns with you today, preschoolers. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.